Okay, so this is a quick look at the flat screen pocket TV from Sinclair. Now this came free, well no, it was bundled with Spectrum Plus back in maybe 1985-ish. You got this, a thermal printer, and the Spectrum Plus, which is the one with the plastic keys instead of the rubberized keys. So let's take a look inside the box. Don't expect this to work. I don't have a power supply to power that up, and it works off analogue, the older analogue broadcast signals, so obviously not digital. Let's have a little look at the box anyway. Let's go around. Oh yeah, so you got a power pack in the box originally. I don't have that now. So that was a 6-volt power pack. You can actually run these things off of a USB power supply, I've been told. And somebody's hacked this to work with a Raspberry Pi, which is quite nice. So I'm looking around. Oh yeah, it says actual size for the actual TV itself on the box. So let's open it up and see what you got. There was no power supply, just the battery was given to you at the time. So you got Sinclair in the polystyrene, and there's the small TV itself and the tiny screen. Got an aerial on the top. This rotary dials for volume and on and off, and then another rotary for the tuning. Got a headphone socket and a little speaker, and a socket for the power, and then a little stand. And then this is to help push the battery out. So the battery slots in from this end and makes contact down there. Yeah, you needed some way to get the battery out, so that's to help push it out. And that's it. You didn't get a lot in the box. Oh, there it's telling you about the battery and the contact points on the back. So it's not like they're at one end, they're sort of on the back of it, on the pad. There was a little carry case, seemed to have lost that along the way, but it was really thin. It's not going to protect it that well. It's not like it's really padded. And there you go. So nice little retro item. Shame it doesn't work for you today, but there you go. Thanks very much.